Beautiful. It's very natural looking. I think that's one of the things that's been missing in all of the additive manufacturing products for dentures so far. This looks to be one of the ones that's going to break the mold.
The aesthetics, translucency is very apparent. I like what I see.
Being able to actually see the translucency in the teeth and how the root characterizes into the tissue, it really is setting this apart from what I've seen so far.
Aesthetics, yeah, they're amazing, but that is what we know from the Genios and the portrait. We're familiar with it, and yeah, actually when you do digital, you can tweak them, you can do everything with it. So this is the base, and what you want to do as a technician, yeah, it's endless.
Part of the limitation that we've had with printed materials to this point is that we've been limited on shades, and this will be a full complement of shades, which will be nice.
The first thing that struck me was just the anatomy that's developed in the teeth already. The fact that doing it all digitally, that they're already in occlusion, just makes our lives a whole lot easier.
It's very natural. I like it a lot. I also like the hardness of these printed denture teeth. It feels very strong, similar to a traditional denture tooth. These teeth are just, I think, phenomenal.
In looking at it, we've had somewhere in the neighborhood of 60% of our cases are cases for a patient with an existing denture. So if we can give them a consistent fit, a consistent feel, but with a new process and better materials, I feel like this will get people excited in the lab to want to look at this as a valid solution to take our denture production digitally.